Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel to support me and to check out what I'm up to. So what I'm up to today, guys, is that I'm moving. So that's why you haven't seen me doing any tablescapes and some other videos. I miss collaborating with different co-content creators. But I am moving, and I'm not moving close by. I'm moving a number of states away. So I'm not going to tell you now where I'm moving to so that you can stay tuned to see where I'm moving. But I have a question for you guys. How many of you who are 55 plus would consider moving to be near your children? Okay, because that's what I'm doing. I'm moving to be closer to my children. It's a big move for me because I have been living in the Maryland area for quite a long time. So this is a big move for my husband and I, but at the end of the day, it's all about family. It's all about family. We want to be closer to them. And, to give you a hint, last summer, I did a video with one of my little granddaughter twins, one of them, and we did a Christmas in July video for QVC. You have to go back and check that out. But when you see her, she's so cute, you all. That's why, that's part of the reason why we, want to move, because we want to be near our children and the grandchildren. Now, we have a lot of family, or I have a lot of family here in the DMV, DC, Maryland, and Virginia. So I have a lot of family here, but although I love them, they're not like your own kids. You know what I'm saying? So I would like to know, drop a comment down in the comment box below. How many of you guys would consider to move near your children? I mean, it's a big move. And when you're selling a home, that's quite an undertaking, and even though we are home decor content creators, we show you a piece of our home, the part that we want to show you to do these videos. Now, we do a good job here of keeping up our home. However, when you get ready to sell your house, there's always something that you have to spruce up, whether you are replacing carpet or painting, whatever. You have to spruce your home up because you want to make it sellable. Okay. And then the other biggest thing, and I'm sure that you guys can understand and appreciate this, when you've been living somewhere a long time, oh my goodness, how much stuff can you collect? I mean, we have collected a lot of stuff. There's some stuff that I had in my storage room, in the basement and everything, and even upstairs. And I'm thinking to myself, I kept it, I guess, because I was thinking, okay, if they're bases of a lamp, well, I'll spray paint them and I'll do something with them. Never did. They just sitting down in the storage room. So we have made so many trips back and forth to the Goodwill between household items and clothes, okay? I've even had Habitat for Humanity come and get some furniture. I have 1-800-JUNK coming to get some more furniture, because when I move, we want to start off on a clean slate. I don't want to move with all that stuff, because after a while, guess what, guys? You look around at your house and some of that stuff is just that. It's stuff. I'm like, I don't need all this stuff. So guess what? I'm getting rid of it so that when I move, I'm not carrying all that stuff with me. In addition to which, we are downsizing, okay? Because look, we don't need all this lawn to cut anymore. I mean, my husband might spend 4 hours doing that lawn. We don't need that no more. We need to be doing some other things, some fun things, not every weekend, because I think after a while, you can hear the grass growing, can't you? I mean, so, this will be a nice break for him. We don't have a big lawn, it's small. And we're downsizing because while he does the outside, I do the inside. Now he helps me, clean up on the inside. But good grief. I mean, I don't need to be doing all this cleaning. I need to be doing some other things. I need to, lessen my footprint. So I'm moving. We're gonna do it smaller. I'm gonna still come back to you guys with some home decor videos, but the footprint will be smaller. And guess what? I think that is good for me at this time, at this season of my life. Okay? So let me ask you guys something. How much junk do you have in your home that you look around and you like, you know what? I need to get rid of some of this stuff. Because really, that's what it is. It's stuff. So I took a lot of home items to the Goodwill. Then let's talk about this other thing. I took a lot of clothes to the Goodwill, him and I both, because I mean, they have a rule, I believe. If you haven't worn something for 2 seasons, you need to get rid of it. So I bought a coat, probably, I don't know, maybe 2021. And I had planned on, we had planned on going to New York to see a play. And for some reason, I can't remember, I know what it was, but we didn't end up going. So the coat is a real winter coat. I mean, it's warm. And so my daughter was like, I have a couple coats like that. My daughter's like, Mom, you don't need to bring those coats down here. You're not going to hardly need those coats. So guess what? Okay, so guys, I paused the video because my husband just came in from the gym. So going back to what I was saying, so I took these, I had some coats, really, really nice coats, really, really nice warm winter coats. I'm taking those to the Goodwill along with still some other clothes. So when you're getting ready to, move, over when you're living in a space over a long period of time, you do collect a lot of things. So like I said, I got rid of a lot of home decor and a lot of clothes. So those are the biggest things I think that you have to do when you're thinking about moving before you sell your home or before you move from wherever you're, living or staying at. You have to spruce up things and you have to purge, okay? So as you can see over here, I have, wrapped up some things. We've packed up some things. I have boxes over here, boxes back there, boxes all over. And I have these things. So we're packing some things and then the movers are packing some things. And the reason why, like I said, I haven't done any tablescapes is because they're all packed up. And I wanted to wrap my own things. I know I'm like a little OCD, little controlling maybe, but I wanted to wrap my things up the way that I want them to be wrapped up. And then they can box some of this stuff up because they got to make their money now. They got to make their money. So, this is, I wanted to tell you guys about it because this is a journey and I wanted to bring you along with me on this journey because, while it's exciting, it has come with, some anxiety, so, you got to pray because it does come with a bit of anxiety. But I look at it like it's a new beginning. It's a new beginning because where I'm going, I don't know my way around. So, it should be quite interesting. But, back to, packing these things up, I wanted them to say one more thing is that, hey guys, if you are content creators and you're thinking about moving and you do tablescapes, think about packing up all your tablescape items and all your home decor stuff. I mean, it's a lot. It's a lot. So I want to, bring to you guys some videos, and I'm going to see what I can do because we're going to be doing some driving. We're going to ship one car and drive one car because there's still some things I want to take with us in the car. So I'm going to try to do a couple of videos, but, I'm going to see what I can, bring to you guys to take you along with me on this journey. But look for us, and as we go toward the end of the summer into the fall, we'll be back and we'll be doing some more tablescapes let me not get ahead of myself. If the Lord is willing, we'll be doing some more tablescapes, but in a different space. So look, guys, I really appreciate you watching my video today. And hey, look, let me know in the comments below, would you move near your children? I mean, I think that I think it's a good idea. Some people say, well, I don't know if I would move. But hey, look, what is life without being near your family? That's what it's all about. That's where we get our enjoyment. That's where I'm my happiest, is when I'm with my children and my grandchildren. We have a lot of fun together. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope that you all have an awesome summer, and I will try to share some short clips with you, some videos on this journey to where we're going. So keep watching so you can see where we move to. You guys have an amazing summer, and until the next one, bye-bye.